Namaskara. Are you tired of constantly dealing with unwanted facial and body hair? While laser is expensive and harmful for some, not to worry. Say hello to Parivartana Hair Inhibitor Oil. Our natural formula weakens the hair follicles and reduce the hair growth while being suitable for all skin types. So let's get started. Step 1 is to remove the unwanted hair. You could use threading or shaving with razor like this. But I would suggest waxing because this removes the hair from roots and oil penetrates more effectively. After waxing, wait for 24 hours if you have normal skin and 48 hours if you have sensitive skin. Step 2. The hair is completely waxed off and now we will apply the oil. This bottle is completely leak proof, so you can carry it while traveling too. Take a sufficient amount. Now we gently massage until it's completely absorbed. When you can feel the hydration but not the stickiness, you can stop. Simple, isn't it? You can apply this oil on legs, hands, underarms, chest, chin, sideburns, and upper lip. Apply the oil for 7 days in a month. You'll notice hair thinning, delay in hair growth in few months. The results vary on your hair and health condition. You can continue the process until you reach your desired results. So, you have to do this step 1 and step 2 for 7 months at least. First step is to remove the hair. Second step is to apply the oil for 7 days in a month. You can check out our contact details in description for purchase. You can comment down if you have questions. And thank you for watching.